In a universe filled with celestial bodies, the threat of a potentially hazardous asteroid or comet is real. But fear not, because we have the technology and the minds to predict and prevent such disasters. Welcome to our deep dive into the Planetary Defense Interagency Tabletop exercise. The Planetary Defense Interagency Tabletop exercise is a biennial event conducted by NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office in partnership with FEMA and the United States Department of State Office of Space Affairs. The exercise aims to inform and assess our ability as a nation to respond effectively to the threat of a potentially hazardous asteroid or comet. During the exercise, participants consider potential national and global responses to a hypothetical scenario. In the most recent exercise, a never-before-detected asteroid was identified that had a 72% chance of hitting Earth in approximately 14 years. The parameters used in the exercise are complex and realistic. They include the asteroid's size, composition, and long-term trajectory. However, these preliminary observations are not sufficient to precisely determine these parameters. One of the challenges in this year's hypothetical scenario was that essential follow-up observations would have to be delayed for at least 7 months as the asteroid passed behind the Sun as seen from Earth's vantage point in space. The exercise helps identify and resolve potential issues as part of preparation for any real-world situation. NASA will publish a complete after-action report for the tabletop exercise later, which will include strengths and gaps identified from analysis of the response, other discussions during the exercise, and recommendations for improvement. While there are no known significant asteroid impact threats for the foreseeable future, these exercises provide valuable insights and prepare us for potential future threats. Stay tuned for more updates on this fascinating subject. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one.